Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to SharePoint. I'm the YouTube. Worst intro ever. Listen, thank you for tuning in. Let me just show you what we're talking about here today. So, lessons learned documents. You create these things, you put them inside of your spreadsheets. So whatever you do, you send them out to everybody. I'm not even going down that whole process because you already know that it's not not in your best interest to do that. So what I'm showing you here today is how to create your own lessons learned document on a site that you've already created, because you listen to me and I tell you all the time to create a project site, and how easy it is to do and why it's a better process. So if you take a look at my screen right here, look, this is my computer screen right there. It has Defeat Thanos on there, or maybe it's Defeat Thanos. You understand what I'm saying? That is the project. If you check out the project overview, it says our project mirrors the daunting task of defeating Thanos, requiring us to pool our resources and talents to overcome a formidable challenge and achieve a transformative goal. Anyway, we're here to defeat Thanos, right? I have created a lessons learned document. It's in the announcements. If you take a look, I click on lessons learned in the announcements, and look, it's an explanation. It says all. Please click below to fill out the lessons learned document. Be sure to include all insights. Be as detailed as possible. Your submissions will help us prepare for the next battle, so don't think any issue is too insignificant. Thank you, Star-Lord. I don't know if Star-Lord wrote this. Look, I'm not a Marvel guy. I am a movie guy. My wife loves all of the Marvel movies, so we see all of them. But even one of the biggest movies, I don't even know the details on. I have to look it up. I'm sorry. I apologize for any Marvel enthusiasts out there. Anyway, so now I'm ready to enter my lessons learned. I hit this button. Up comes a form. So now I can start. So lesson learned is the importance of unity and cooperation. Bada bing, bada boom. The category is scope. The lessons type is success. The impact is the Avengers united and defeated Thanos. But it's a big field, so I could type a whole lot more if I needed to. And then the recommendation is we need to emphasize the importance of teamwork and conflict resolution in groups. So let me right here. Oops, sorry, and recommendation. Now issue, that is the initial disagreements among Avengers. And if I wanted to put an attachment, I could do that, but I'm not going to do that. So I hit save, and when I hit save, guess what? I land on a page that shows me this inside of a table. How cool is that, right? Now, I didn't like the way that issue was at the bottom of that form, so all I'm going to do real quick is hit new. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say edit columns. I'm going to drag issue to after lessons learned, hit save. Now it's up there and it looks just like the table. The list is what it's actually called. So now every time that you need somebody to fill out the lessons learned document, guess what you do? Tell them to go to your site. One link where everything is located. Don't give me any lip about putting your project resources anywhere else. You need it on one site. Not in your inbox, not on a shared drive, not this, not that. Put it on your site. That's it. But the first thing you got to do is create that site. Matter of fact, here, on Saturday, September 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern, the link was going to be in the description of this video. Come to my workshop where I'll show you how to make this project site. Making a project site will make your life easier as a project manager. Just trust me on this. All right, so look right here on the left-hand side. It says lessons learned. I can click to this. I can go to this page. Let's say I don't want to do that. Let's say I just want to see all of the items. Well, it's right here. Click view all. Here, now I can see the list of items and any other items that get added there. And if I wanted to add one while I'm here, I could do that. I can click new. Here, let's add another one. So lessons learned, or lesson learned, is consequences of overpopulation. The issue is that Thanos drastic population reduction plan. Category is risk. The lesson type is problem. The impact, half the population disappeared, causing chaos and grief. It's a wild time. The recommendation is that we promote ethical decision making and consider long-term consequences. Right? That's the recommendation. If you have any attachments, add them here. Anything. It could be anything that supports this lesson learned. I hit save. Look where I land. I'm on the same page where I get to see all of the items. Here, let's put a count right here so we can see how many items we got. So we got 2 items. How cool is that? All right, now that's how you update your lessons learned document. Instead of sending out a spreadsheet where people have to put things inside of a spreadsheet and send it back to you, it's ridiculous. So put everything on the project site, like I recommended, and tell your folks to go there. And you don't have to put it in the left-hand navigation. It could go in the left-hand navigation, like I have it here. It could be one of these buttons. It could be under the announcements. And matter of fact, you probably won't even need your lessons learned document until the end of the project. So you could leave it off of here and make an announcement when the project is over and send everybody back to the same link. I don't know how many times I gotta say it. You should stop arguing with me. Just do what I said. All right, that's a little aggressive. Do what you please, but I recommend that you create a project site. My name is Thurman Trotman. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to actually show you how to do that. But again, if you want to get to see this happen live, come to the workshop. It's Saturday, September 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you are watching this after that date, don't worry. I'm doing another one in October and another one in November and another one in December in case you miss it. You understand what I'm saying? Just follow me on LinkedIn. That's the best place to get information from me. I'll talk to you later.